Hello friends, welcome to Sarit's Art Room. We will be having different innovative decorative ideas using pistachio covers. So let's start, enjoy these activities and hope you will have a fun time with your kids in lockdown period. Friends, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel with your friends and family. Watch this video till end for easy tips and tricks to implement those ideas. So let's start. First, we will make beautiful red mushrooms on our planter. Kids love to draw and paint red mushrooms with polka dot. So similar way, we will paint mushrooms on planter using pistachio shells today. So prepare 3-4 mushrooms based on the planter size and prefer for black planter as red will look awesome on the black planter. Here you can see base coat green is already painted on my planter. So to paint this green coat, I have used scrubber or sponge which we use generally for cleaning our utensils. And how to paint using that scrubber, that video is already shared. So you can check the link in the description box if you want to see in detail. So already this coat is done. So trick number 1, use scrubber or sponge for your base layer. It will give uniform color and it will be easy for coloring for even kids too. On top of it, I am adding more detailing using lighter color to give additional effect. I have added pearl yellow color along with green acrylic color. It adds glaze to your color. And that's the trick number 2. Stick already colored mushroom on top of this once this coloring is completed. If you have hot glue gun, then go for hot glue gun to stick pistachio shells on this planter. If you don't have it, prefer Fevikwik, and if you don't have even Fevikwik at home, go for Fevicol because Fevicol takes long time to stick. Giving final finish to our planter. It's ready. So surely your garden will look beautiful with this planter. Give a try to this. I'm sure you will love this idea. Let's go for second one. Lovely ladybug. I love those small tiny red ladybugs. So in this idea, we will use a similar technique of green grass, green base coat, and then we will use pistachio shells on top of that for making cute small ladybug. Adding small flowers on top of these plants. Now our background is ready, so we will stick our cute little ladybugs on top of these plants and flowers. It will look so real. So make sure you are doing this at your home and don't forget to comment on this video. How was your experience with this? Let's make few more ladybugs for our next pot design. Generally you will find succulent plants are planted in very small pots. So we need a miniature design or painting on those plants. Already I have shared one painting technique using nail paints and nail accessories for this planter. You can refer that particular design in the description box. And on top of that, we are using our tiny ladybug, which will give you 3D effect. For design 4, we are just giving border to our planter. I am using here beautiful, my favorite snake plant pot for this design. We are not painting pistachio shells here. We are using its own unique design and color for decoration. Lastly, adding pearls into the design, and here is final look. For fifth design, we are making a design of wheat bran, and for that we are just giving a plain white acrylic color. As I have limited stock of planters due to lockdown period, I am putting multiple designs on the single pot. So you can also do similar way, or you can create a single design on a single planter. For idea number 6, we are using the same technique and we are making different color birds on the planter. Our planter with colorful charming birds is ready. Next one is our favorite honeybee. Kids love to play with honeybees, run behind honeybees, and they love to paint and draw honey. Here we are using walnut shells along with the pistachio shells for bigger honeybee, and the smaller honeybees I am making with the pistachio shells. Let's add happiness coat on the planter, and on top of that we will stick our honeybees. And see how it looks. It looks amazing either in your home or in your garden. Number 8 is happiness pot. Nowadays it's a trend of having happiness quotes on mugs or cups. So same we are trying to put it on our planter. Happiness is a basket of fresh strawberries. Yes, of course. What to say if those strawberries are also handmade? So friends, don't forget to try this activity and it will be really joyful for you. So here is number 9, golden bird on succulent pot. It's mini pot and we are adding single golden bird on the grass on this. So friends, we are done with our 9 planter decoration ideas, and as I said earlier, here are few tips and tricks to beautify your planters either indoor or outdoor. Keep ladybugs on the plants so that it will add color to greenery, and you can use pista covers as a cover to your pot soil, and it will act as a repellent for mosquitoes for indoor plants. Here is my snake plant where I used pista covers instead of colorful stones as a decoration on a pot soil. Arranging these beautiful planters at home, you can decor your center table indoor, or you can decor your garden or patio corners. Friends, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Be safe, be healthy and stay at home. Thank you very much.